Yo, what's up? So, ayun, we're shopping right now and aking tagatulak ng trolley. So, yeah, gabi na dyan, so you're probably asleep and hindi ako nakapag-good night kasi wala nang data. Ito po yung POV ng isang nagtutulak. Let's help Aisha with buying grapes. Yo sis! Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Pick the grapes already.
I can't. It's not sweet.
It's not?
No, it's not sour. It doesn't have any taste.
So, time check. It's
Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3.
the time is already 10:40. 10:40 ah. Like that's late na sa Pinas. But open pa yung mga malls here.
No taste. Little sour.
Bro, your camera is so good. So, one of my favorite, which is grapes, secured na. Now we're gonna buy, what are we gonna buy? What are we looking for?
Cucumber.
Cucumber? I don't eat cucumber. But did you know Ate Angel loves to eat cucumber? There are people behind you.
Yeah, but I was going here, not here.
Damn, your camera is so clear, but it's so close. Wang, 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 wang.
Okay, we're gonna get
Oops.
okra.
Madam, say hi.
I thought you were singing.
Wow, you know how to pick okra, huh? So, ayan na guys, pumili siya ng cucumber. Wow, the cucumber looks so green! Bro, the camera quality is... Wow.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
Wow, side eye. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Sheesh. And that's only for 4 dirhams. 3.99. Yo sis, why do you like cucumber?
Because it's nice and healthy.
What's the sausawan of cucumber?
I use toyo.
Toyo. Yeah. Now we're gonna look for orange. No, that's fine. But I want tangerines.
Okay, the milk one.
You know the one? The
Yeah,
one?
I know the smallest
Yeah,
one.
yeah,
Yeah, the one like that.
yeah. Yeah.
Ka-ching.
How? Kaching, kaching.
Now where we go? Here, let's check there.
I don't know where's the tangerines. Hey. My chinelas sa trolley. Oh yeah, I like this. Is it tangerine? Does it say?
No, it's mandarin.
It's mandarin.
There's tangerine.
So it's from China, bro. We don't support China anymore.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah. Freak China, bro. Flip China.
I wonder if they...
We hate China. We hate China. We should protest. Whoa, watermelons. Wow, you get to actually pick what you want, huh?
Yeah, but this isn't sweet. Look at it. It's not
It looks red.
sweet. It looks red, but it's not that red. And it's expensive.
How much is it?
This is 10-10.
10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So guys, lalagay ni Aisha yung watermelon dito. Magpapahabol tayo.
You know, it matches you. Because you're wearing red. So you're basically a watermelon. Bro!
Dun, dun, dun. Put it. Dito guys yung mga isda. Yan.
What is that?
Yung seafoods.
What is that?
Diba?
Tilapia.
Oh, we did.
For tender hum.
Nice. Ulala. Ulala, ulala. Ulala. Ulala, ulala. Ulala. Ulala, ulala. Ulala. Ulala, ulala. Chila, 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 chila. So now guys, yung mga gulay na inano namin is papatimbang siya. Papatimbang namin siya tapos para malaman kung magkano, di ba?
Yeah.
So yeah, we have to wait in line muna. So ayan, yung mga gulay dyan, yung mga naka-plastic, papatimbang siya dyan. So malaman mo kung magkano. So yeah. Ayan na guys, in-scan na siya. Pinapagalitan yung bata kasi wala siyang manners.
Oh, ma.
So now guys, lilipat na tayo ng section tapos na tayo sa mga gulay and frozen foods. Hahanap tayo ng mga snacks and others food.
This one.
What's that?
Double that.
I thought it's not nice.
No, I was talking about this one. This one is the
Hindi masarap.
tteokbokki. It's not really that ano. Yeah, it's not that flavorful. And it's
Don't you
also
like the spicy
spicy.
one?
Yeah, but do you want like this?
No.
This is like ramen.
That one.
Which one? This one? This one?
Yeah.
This is noodles. Yeah, sure. Shin noodles. I don't know how much it
Because I
is.
wanna vlog for spicy noodle challenge.
Oh yeah, but I don't know how much it is though. Is it spicy though?
I don't know. I feel like we should not buy it.
Why?
I don't know. It feels like it's soft. I feel like this would have been better, bro.
Where?
This one.
Oh!
Right. Sabi ang init. Gusto ko na lang mag-sando.
Ayan na, nagbabayad na kami.
Montage. Town, 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 town. Saan siya? Yan guys, sariling plastic. Sheesh! Ang ganda ng future mali. Kaya nga eh. Well, oh. Sabi niya, you have a bright, you have a bright. Bulol. So, yun guys, tapos na mag-shopping. Time check, 11:13. Ang ganda ng wallpaper natin, no? So yeah, going to the car. Say hi to the vlog, bro. So guys, time check, it's 12:15 a.m. ng gabi, July 2. Out here in the streets. Yes, sir. Yo, what's up, vlog?
Hi! Hi, girl.
We're gonna buy shawarma. Tapos mag-movie night. Yeah. It's color blue.